Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up with Sheets Genie, web scraping, and automation. So for this to work, you would go to Sheets Genie from the extensions menu in Google Sheets, and you would go down here to mandatory setup. But first, you need to be able to have the extension installed, the add-on installed. So in case you don't have that installed yet for Google Sheets, what you want to do is do a Google search for Google Workspace Marketplace, then go to it, and then you can type in Sheets Genie, and that'll take you to the add-on. As you'll see here, I've already installed it, but this is where you would find it. So okay, now because I've already installed it, I can go here to Sheets Genie, and I can go to Web Scraping and Automation, and I'll click Mandatory Setup. So you'll see it was supposed to find a setup sheet that I couldn't find, and now it's telling me to make a copy of this special template. So I'm going to do that. I'll click on this, then I'll click Make a Copy, and you can see it working. So that's how you know it's trying to make a copy. And here we go. I'll just call this Demo. So this is like a special spreadsheet template set up with everything you want, and the instructions are given to you right away. You can see here a link for the Google Sheet add-on, which I have already installed. So I can check this off the list, but I also have to have the Chrome extension installed, and that's different from the add-on. So if I go over here, this will take me to the Chrome extension add-on. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Chrome and say Add Extension. And that's okay. So there it is. It's been added, but notice it'll disappear here really quick, right? What you want to do is you want to go ahead and pin it so that you know that it's active and you've installed it, so that isn't an issue later. So make sure to pin it. Okay. So now that I have done that, I have installed it, I've activated it and pinned it. If it's pinned, you know it's activated. So now I want to enable the Sheets Genie library attached to the spreadsheet, extensions, app script. So I'm going to go here, app script, step 2 instructions, run, enable Sheets Genie library. You can see the instructions, enable Sheets Genie library. I click run. And this will take a second to run to enable it, but then after it is successfully enabled, you'll know because you'll get a message here. Oh, first you'll have to review the permissions. So I'll continue that with this account. It hasn't verified this app. So sometimes you have to press advanced here. All right. Go to Sheets Genie Web Scraping and Automation, unsafe. Go ahead and just click that. I know it sounds scary, but it's not, guys. You do that. All that it'll let you do is it'll see, edit, create all of your Google Sheets spreadsheets. That's how Sheets Genie works its magic. So now you can click Allow. And then it has been successfully enabled. Okay, so I've done step 2. Step 3, after the library is enabled, then get your dev deployment URL, click on blue deployment button, arrow down, click on test deployments, copy the URL ending in dev. I'm going to highlight it. Notice how it ends in dev. We're going to copy that and put it into A2 of SG Web Setup Sheet. So we're going to go over here. This is my SG Web Setup Sheet. This is A2. So I'm going to apply that there. All right. So I've now enabled it. I've added the deployment URL. Now I want to run the test task in Control Center Test Web Setup Sheet, which is right. Let's bump this up a second. Okay. So it's this sheet right here. This is a test task just to make sure you're getting it done right on a very simple scrape. So I like highlighting it just so I know what I'm doing. Run row 11. So we're going to go to Sheets Genie, run task row 11. And what this will do is, oh, first I have to verify my account. Okay. So to verify your account, like the first time for every spreadsheet, you go here, verify, create account. Make sure that I am verified. Success. I have access to it. Perfect. So that's done. So now let's try to run this task again. So we're going to run task 11. And Now look, it wanted to pop up, but the pop-up got blocked. So part of the process is you have to enable the pop-ups. The way you enable the pop-ups, you just click here and always allow pop-ups from docs.google.com done. This is what allows Sheets Genie to do the magic with the pop-ups. All right, so let's do this again. Now that we've enabled the pop-ups, we'll go here and there. So it opened it. Now it's waiting for the details. It needs the Chrome extension to receive the details. It received it. It opened a page and it closed the page. So we'll go back over here to our sheet, and it's supposed to put data in test web setup results sheet. This sheet was not here before, but now it is. So we're going to click on it, and look, we got some very simple, basic scrape data. So it worked. So if we go back here, test sheet setup, it works. We've done this, and we've enabled the pop-ups. For the troubleshooting, like it says clean profile, this is what I mean by clean profile. I'm only signed into this Google account. And if you look at my extensions, I have minimal extensions, all right? So barely anything will be creating a conflict, so that works in my favor. If I wanted to increase the script time because I was having problems, I could do it up there. And that's it. That's a walkthrough of how to get set up with the Sheets Genie web scraping and automation. That's it. See you in another video.